Hey you guys, welcome back to Coco's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made my chicken vegetable teriyaki stir fry, and all of these ingredients was under $20, so continue watching. So this is what you need to make your food. You need zucchini, broccoli, garlic, mushrooms. If you want to add a little bit more like green beans or corn, that will be delicious. Add whatever you like to your stir fry. And to make it go by faster, I added pre-cooked rice and chicken. So I chopped all of the vegetables up in little pieces and put in a bowl. And right now I am waiting for the butter to melt in my pan. And I've also sprayed the pan with vegetable oil. Time to add the vegetables to your pan, and you also want to stir your vegetables, so you want to make sure that the oil and the butter will touch all the vegetables so it won't stick to the pan. And I also realized when I was cutting up the minced garlic, there's a reason why I already buy garlic that's already cut up for me. It's a lot of work. I didn't know you had to peel garlic. I thought you only had to peel the outer layer, not the little individual pieces as well. So much work, but it tastes a lot better. So you want to stir it some more, and I'm actually going to add more vegetable oil to it, and you want to cover and let it sit to cook. So now it's time to add the chicken. It's so much easier to buy the fajita chicken pieces or whatever pre-cooked chicken pieces that you prefer. I prefer this one because it's already seasoned very well, and I do add more seasonings. I forgot to record that part of the seasonings that I add to it, but I add garlic seasoning, onion seasoning, and black pepper. I don't add any additional salt to it because since this was like in the frozen section and pre-done, salt is already added to the chicken. I just didn't want to add any more sodium than I actually needed, and I started cutting the chicken in littler pieces. And now I add the rice. This rice is already pre-cooked, so honestly I'm just putting the rice in to heat up. I'm just adding 1 cup of rice. Don't want to add a lot of carbs to it, but if you prefer more rice, add more rice. And I love that's already pre-measured into 1 cup. And once you do that, you just stir the rice in. Now it's time to add the sauce, the teriyaki Asian sauce. Got this at Aldi's. It was like less than $2. And I'm just pouring in half of the container of sauce. I'm not trying to make it too saucy, also because I'm, again, watching my sodium intake, and it's a lot of sodium for teriyaki sauce. I don't know if you know it, but it's tons. So I just want the flavor of teriyaki not really soaked in there, and I'm just being very gentle when I'm stirring it because I've noticed that my zucchini start to mush when I was stirring a little too hard. But yeah, just mix it all together. And this is the finished product. Thank you for watching, you guys. It's delicious. If you're into meal prepping, it's super easy. Again, this is under $20. It'll last you a few days. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel yet, hit that subscribe button. And I will see you soon. Bye.